Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to find trending sounds on Instagram. So there are a few ways on how to find trending music or sounds here on Instagram. So if you want to simply post something and you look for the trending music, so let's just say I wanted to post a reel here, and then once you add that video or that picture, then if you go to this music section right here or this music icon, then most of the musics here that is suggested for you are trending music. Okay, so all you have to do is to scroll down and then pick that song or music that suit your content. And that's it. That is the first method here. You just have to go to the music or search music, and you will see here the trending music. Most of the Instagram content creators or users, they use this music right here. That is, of course, suggested for you. Another way to look for trending music is if you go to Reels. So if you look for Reels or go to Reels, then probably most of these songs used on Reels are of course trending music. So most of these creators they use trending music so that it would be easier for people to see them, to find them, or they just pop up right on your screen or they just pop up on your home feed. So as you can see, these are the trending videos or trending music. So if you tap this music right here, then you can use that one. Okay, you just have to go to Reels and you can find trending music here. Another way to find is you can go to the search bar and then type trending audio or trending music. Then you can also go to tags or audio. Then you will see here the trending music or trending sound or trending audio. So let's just say for audio, these are the trending audio. And then if you go to tags, and then all you have to do is to click this trending audio right here, and it will suggest you trending audio and music that you can use for your content. Okay? So these are just a few methods on how to find trending music here on Instagram. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.